In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blog with Squarespace. We'll start at your Squarespace account dashboard. After signing in, head straight to the dashboard to see all your sites. From there, open the site you want to work on by selecting Go to Website. That brings you into the site editor where all of your pages, designs, and settings live. Inside the editor, choose Website to open the main menu, then select Pages. This is where your site structure is managed. You'll see areas like Main Navigation, which controls what appears in your site's menu, and Not Linked, which holds pages that don't show up in navigation but are still available on your site. Not Linked is perfect for drafts, landing pages, or sections you're not ready to reveal yet. To add your blog, hover in the area where you want it and click the plus icon to create a new page. In the template options, browse the Showcase section, then choose Blog. Squarespace will add a blog collection with a default layout and a sample post. Click into the new blog page to open it. You may see an option to add a pricing plan. This is helpful if you plan to monetize content, gate posts for members, or bundle your blog with subscriptions. Open it to see where that lives. You can set it up later if it fits your strategy. Next, jump to Blog Overview to see your list of posts. Open the sample post, in this case a post titled something like Redefine Success. Click the three dots next to it and choose Duplicate. Duplicating a post is a great way to keep a consistent structure for new entries, especially if you like to use recurring sections or a standard format. Open the duplicated post's settings. Start in the content area to manage the basics. If there's a default image, open the image editor and select Remove Image so you can add your own later. This keeps your post clean and avoids publishing with placeholders. Still in content, review a few helpful fields. Excerpt controls the short preview text that appears in blog lists and feeds. Keep it concise and compelling. Post URL lets you refine the link slug for search friendliness and clarity. Author identifies who wrote the post. If you're sharing an external article, source URL is where you credit the original link, and you can enable link post title to source URL, so clicking the title routes readers to that source instead of your full post page. Switch to Options to manage publishing preferences. Under Status, choose Scheduled if you want the post to go live automatically at a later time. Pick your date on the calendar, select the 30th here, then confirm. Scheduling helps you maintain a consistent publishing cadence without manual launches. When you're set, hit Save to lock in those changes. Back in the blog page settings, explore a few additional panels so you know where everything is. Social image is where you set the thumbnail that appears when your post is shared to social platforms. Use a clear, on-brand image to boost clicks. Feeds controls how your content appears in RSS and other feed outputs. Advanced is helpful for code injection or metadata customizations if you need them. And General gives you high-level page details, including options that affect how the collection behaves on your site. If your blog is meant to be the main destination, you can choose Set as Homepage. That promotes your blog to the front of your site, so visitors land there first. If you're experimenting or cleaning up, you can also remove a page from your structure using Delete Page and then confirm Delete. Use this carefully. Deleting is permanent for that page. That's it. You've navigated from your dashboard, added a blog, duplicated a post, cleaned up content, configured links and excerpts, scheduled a publish date, saved your work, and reviewed the key settings that shape how your blog appears and shares. Follow these steps each time you publish, and you'll have a streamlined, professional blogging workflow inside Squarespace.